Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video, let's check out the OnePlus 7 Pro in the new Almond Gold color. This came out for sale in India on the 14th of June and it retails for 52,999. So in this video, let's unbox it, check out the box accessories and compare it against the two other colors, that is Mirror Grey and Nebula Blue. So you guys will have an idea what it looks side by side and it should make your purchase decision a little easier. So let's get started with the unboxing. First things first, this small packet that contains your reading material and your TPU case. So the case, we've checked it out multiple times. It's free, so it's appreciated. Nothing great. You can upgrade once you get a better case. And you also have your reading materials, so quick start guide, warranty information, SAR values, all that good stuff. And the SIM ejector tool is also there on the back. Again, boring stuff, you can read it if you want to. Next up is the phone itself. Taking out the plastic and the stickers, it looks absolutely gorgeous in my opinion in that gold color and kind of resembles the iPhone XS Max in multiple ways. So yeah, that is the Almond Gold color. Let's set it to the side for now. And next up you have this invitation letter from OnePlus. You can read it if you want to. Next up is the Warp charger. It's big, it's bulky, but it's fast. Get your phone charged up to 50% in under 30 minutes. This is really worth it and I have no complaints. Next you have the USB Type-C to Type-A cable for charging and data syncing in OnePlus's signature red color. Again, pretty self-explanatory, and that's it for the unboxing experience. Now talking about the OnePlus 7 Pro in the Almond Gold color itself, yes, I get it. It looks like the iPhone XS Max in gold, as well as some people calling it the copy of the iPhone XS Max. All those things aside, let's talk about the OnePlus 7 Pro itself in this video. It looks really good. This color is premium, and in bright lighting conditions, it gives off a really premium look. And I kind of get the naming as well. It does resemble the inside of an almond, so I get the naming as well. And OnePlus has tried every bit to show off that gold color around the camera lenses. As you can see, there's a gold trim around the buttons, the volume rockers, the power button, the alert slider. Everywhere there's a gold trim, and the sides of the phone, there are gold accents there as well. And yeah, I get it. They've given their attention to detail this color, and it's definitely worth it if you like gold, or if you like the iPhone XS Max in gold, and if you want the OnePlus 7 Pro in that color, definitely you can go for this one. It looks absolutely beautiful in my opinion. And I get it, for the people who like this color, it'll be worth it, but for the people who don't, you can definitely go with the Nebula Blue or the Mirror Grey color that is also available in the OnePlus 7 Pro. So yeah, there's your comparison between the other two colors. The other two colors are totally different, they're definitely aiming a different audience. They're not similar to the Almond Gold. The Almond Gold is just plain straight out gold. There's no gradient effect or anything like that. There's no crazy fancy patterns happening in that color. But in my opinion, as I said, for the people who like it, it'll be definitely worth it. Everything else about this Almond Gold color remains the same to the other two OnePlus 7 Pros, so there's nothing extra added here. You still get the Snapdragon 855, the same specs, the same display, same battery, same everything. You get it in 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage for 52,999. And also, here it is how it looks in the case for the people who are wondering. And in my opinion, if you like it, you can go buy it. It's available for sale right now online and offline. So if you have the money, if you think this color is worth it, definitely go give it a buy. And that's been it for this video guys. Thanks so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.